Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have a fun, humongous haul for you guys. You guys know that I shop with Zavala on Instagram, and whenever I shop with her, it's huge. It's tons of goodies, and let me show you what I picked up this time around. So we're gonna start off with some loose papers. Okay. So I got this snow. Why is it blurry? See, if I don't check you guys, my video will be blurry. There you go. Right? Perfect. Okay. Back in action. So these are some loose papers that I picked up from her. I got the Snow and Cocoa cut aparts. This is what it looks like on the other side. Then there's this one. And this one's called Let's Play, and this is what it looks like on the other side. Oh, I didn't tell you what this one is called. This one is just called Hot Cocoa. Yeah, okay. And then I got, these are some more cut aparts from the Heart Day collection. I had gotten some the first time, well, not the first time. The order before this one from her, I got like 2 of them, and I love this collection so much. I got 4 more. Aren't they beautiful? I love these so much. I'll be using those next year. I might still be able to use, I think, for this year, because I have like 2 more that I need to make. And then I got this sticker sheet from Photo Play, and it's called, it's the Love Notes collection. Isn't that cute? So cute. I love the little glasses, the little pig with the wings. Super cute. You guys know that I think everything is super cute. Alright, we're going to put these back in here because I don't want them to get ruined or folded on the corners. So we're going to seal that back up. And I'm going to put you over here. The next things I'm going to be showing you guys are some chipboard packs that I got. So I got this one, and this one is the Snow and Cocoa. Love it. Never got this one. I have the whole collection, and I don't have the chipboard. Sometimes this is the hardest part of the collection to find, because it's like it sells out the fastest. So I've been working on trying to get all the chipboards for my collections so that I can have them. So I got Snow and Cocoa. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Woo. And then I got Oasis. I love this one. Look at the little motorcycle. Isn't that cute? I got Maggie Holmes Confetti. I had this one, but it finished. I finished it all up. I think I have like probably like these little flags left over and like little random pieces. So that's that one. And then I got Journey. Look at this little truck right here. Isn't that cute? And then I got Maggie Holmes Gather. Isn't this cute? I have some of the digital of this, and I have the Project Life cards. I just need to get the paper and the paper pad. Let me see. Okay, so let me just move these out. I'm thinking they're so big I should take them out. Okay, because there's a bunch more coming. So we have Oasis stickers. These are called Caroline stickers. They're Valentine's Day. So cute. It's like a, almost like a muted gold. I love the gold. It's not so shiny. And then I got these. Happy Valentine's Day stickers. These are Maggie Holmes open book. Then we got these Mombi stickers. Another pack of Mombi stickers. These, I love the pink and blue together. And I'm not a blue person, but I like the way that looks together. And then there's these. Then we got a bunch of paper pads. We got Cute Girl. And then I'll skim through that real quick. I'm sure you guys have seen Cute Girl. It's the most adorable collection ever. So I got that one. I got the Authentique Darling Girl. And these are double-sided, and you guys are so pretty. This paper pad is like me in a paper pad. Then we got Maggie Holmes Shine. I don't have anything from this collection. I don't have the little stickies out, but you guys can get a little sneak peek. So that's that one. I got another Authentique. I love the colors. This one is called Imagine, and it's very like carousel like. Carnival-ish, but vintagey. I like that. And then we have another one. This one is called Fabulous. Also kind of like vintage inspired. See? Super cute, very retro. Oh my god, look how cute the little girl on the little moped. Then we have Oasis. Which I now have most of the collection. And then the last Authentique is also another like vintagey one. It's called Saucy. And that's what that looks like. So those are the paper pads that I picked up. And now let me move this back here for a second. Some of these things. I got the Snow and Cocoa stamp set. I got some Carpe Diem clips. The glare of the window. Super sunny today, you guys. I got two die sets. I got the unicorn and the, what is this again? Cactus. I got some alphas, some American Craft alphas. Some sticker patches. The Snow and Cocoa puffy stickers. I got some of these wooden stickers. These are super cute. We got some more stickers. Some like ice cream stickers. I got this artsy die set. Stamp and die set. It's cactuses. I got this Matilda and Godfrey photo plate ephemera die cuts for Halloween next year. I have the paper to this and I didn't have the ephemera. I got some bows. Some cute little tags, striped tags. More dies. Heart dies actually. Some more stickers. We got some more stickers, more stickers. More stickers. Some little heart die cuts. We got some vintage brads. These are so cute. I love those. Some Doodlebug sprinkle hearts. Some Maggie Holmes resin flowers clips. Cute little mermaid stickers. Look at those, you guys. Aren't they cute? Those are so cute. Some mason jar stickers. We got these cute little hearts. These are birthday stickers. I got another pack of the Maggie Holmes Carousel ephemera. We got some trim, the pom-pom one, and then this pink one. We got the little Kiss Kiss, crepe paper Kiss Kiss wood veneers. Cute collection. I got some of these that I didn't get from Target, the little button ones. So I got those. Got some more pom-pom trim. You guys know I love my pom-pom. Some more of this little sequence, the little hearts. Then we got this cute little sticker book. So cute. I'm trying so hard not to sneeze, you guys. I got that Photo Play Love Notes ephemera pack. Another little fairy die. The deer die. These cute little mason jar stickers. Some more of these little puffy stickers. I love nerds. I love the glasses. And we got these stickers right here. Some confetti. How cute is this stamp, you guys? Isn't this cute? Then I got the Pink Paisley Summer Lights ephemera pack. Let me make sure that you guys can see everything. We got some smiley face stickers. These cute little gingerbread guys from Little Bee. We got these stickers. You see them? We got these little resin flowers. Some word stickers. Maggie Holmes crepe paper embellishments. I think this is from Open Book. Then we got 2 bags of these little mixed goodies. Tons of trim, you guys. I got this one. Oh, these are from Oasis. This trim. Got this black trim. We also got these 3 trims. Look at those colors together. Aren't they beautiful? 2 washi tapes. We got the Heart Day embellishments. We got these stickers. I love the numbers. You could use that for like advent calendars. This one, Friends stickers. We got some gems. Some Heidi Swap. We got these wooden stickers. These Maggie Holmes standouts. So cute. I love this. I'm gonna have to hoard this because I only have one. We got some of these, what do you call these again? Tassels. Got 2 packs of tassels. A bunch of bows. So we have this pack of bows. Oh, we got these butterflies, and they're like fabric. They're so cute. Oh no, they're foam. They look like fabric. We got these bows. These bows, these bows, these bows, and these bows. Bows for days, you guys. Also got both ephemera packs that came out in Michael's this year, which I could not find for the life of me. I got them through her. We're almost done, you guys. We got the Simple Stories Romance ephemera pack. We got some of these acrylic packs. The pineapples, the arrows, and the unicorns. More trim. More trim. This is like this cute lace trim. Washi tape from Target Dollar Spot. We got the little cameras, the acrylic ones, some little designer tags, more bows. These are the metal bows. These are so cute. Then we got, oh my God, the Heart Day ephemera. I have everything, and I didn't have the ephemera, and I have it now. Got some cute little clips from the Target One Spot. And another little pom-pom trim. Why do I feel like it? Ooh, sorry for the shakiness. A little pom-pom trim. Some puffy hearts. And the last two things I got are two Tim Holtz Distress Inks. I only had one of these, and I picked these up. And oh no, one more thing. I picked up this punch, which is like the 3 little dots. See? Super cute. Also got this ephemera pack from Michael's, which I couldn't find anywhere. So excited to have it. It's the backyard table one that's going around a lot on Instagram. And guys, it's like, it feels like so much. It's 35 pieces, but I don't know, it just feels so full. Those are the ones you get. I love the little wine bottles. And then I was missing a few pieces from the Flourish collection, so I have another pack of the ephemera. That's the non-exclusive, since they came out with 2 different ones. So this is the regular one, and then I got the word stickers and the foiled paper pad. I still need the regular paper pad, but this one is the foiled one. So I have to get the other one because I know that it's 2 different paper pads. But now I think I'm done. I think that's everything. Yes, it is. And you guys, I wanted these bags, and I got so many people when I made a post on Instagram sending them to me, and now I have 4 packs of these bags. I got these yesterday with some cute little stickers from my friend Diana. Look at that. I love these bags. They're so cute. But yeah, you guys, that's my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Go check out Brenda on the Zavala Instagram. She sells super cheap, affordable crafting supplies. So definitely go check her out. You guys won't regret it. You will save some money. And yeah, take care, guys.